friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to talk about the topic peakpendant.com of United States. Is it a legit or a scam website? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, what this website is basically offering to the customers. So from the name itself and from the images available in the home page, you can easily understand that this website specifically deals with all kinds of bracelets, pendants and other fashionable products for enhancing your beauty. Now let's check some of their products to know more about it in detail. So let's click into the pendant section. So guys, these are some of their products which are available at discounts right now, and they have mentioned in their homepage that they offer 50% discount right now on all of their items. Now let's talk about their payment policy. So friends, they accept all kind of online payment methods like Google Pay, Apple Pay, Amex, JCB, Visa debit card, MasterCard, PayPal and many more options are there. Besides this, if you want to know about their shipping policy, friends, they have not mentioned anything about it. If you click on their menu, you will get nothing about shipping section. So we can't say anything about it. Let's wait and see further. Now let's talk about some of the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So friends, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure, which is a positive point for this website. Now let's talk about the website age. Friends, this website has been registered on 4th of September 2020. So it is a new website, hence we cannot rely upon it, which is a negative point. Now let's talk about the About Us section of the website. But friends, we do not find any About Us page regarding this website. So again, it is a negative point. Now let's talk about the contact address. So let's move into the contact us section and see further details. Friends, they have not mentioned their contact address. So again, it is a negative point. Now if you want to know about their contact mail ID, you cannot find it here, because they have only mentioned that you have to send your name, email, phone number and query, and they will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's talk about their social media presence. Friends, this website does not have any social media page till now, which is again a negative point. Now if you want to know their return and refund policy, then let's move into return and replacement section. It has been clearly mentioned that they has 30 days return policy. You can return your item within 30 days, but after that you cannot do it. Besides this, if you want to know about the customer reviews, friends, we have not found a single review regarding this website in the homepage or in Google. We have researched a lot of times, but there is nothing about it. Maybe because of it is a new website. So let's wait and see further. So now let's talk about the website content quality. Friends, the content is not good. It is almost copy pasted and plagiarized from other websites. So we cannot rely on it. So on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that the website is totally new and it is not a legit website, and possibly it is a scam. We will not recommend this site to anyone until we get a clear idea about it. And advise everyone to do a proper research before investing your money in this website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you guys.